Are you looking? As the demand for larger, more immersive viewing experiences grows, 65-inch TVs have become a sweet spot for many consumers. Whether you're a cinephile, gamer, or casual viewer, choosing the right TV involves more than just screen size. Our guide evaluates top 65-inch models based on display technology, build quality, smart features, sound performance, and overall list number. Samsung 65-inch class OLED 4K S90D series HDR Plus Smart TV with Dolby Atmos, object tracking sound, light, motion accelerator. Samsung 65-inch OLED S90D series is a powerhouse for those craving cinema-quality visuals. Featuring OLED technology, this TV delivers stunning contrast with deep blacks and vibrant colors that bring every scene to life. The HDR Plus support enhances detail in both dark and bright scenes, perfect for movie buffs. Dolby Atmos sound and object tracking sound light create an immersive audio experience that moves with the picture. Plus, the motion accelerator technology ensures smooth motion handling.
List number: Samsung 65-inch class 4K Crystal UHD DU8000 series HDR Smart TV with object tracking sound light. The Samsung 65-inch DU8000 Crystal UHD TV balances performance and affordability with impressive 4K clarity and HDR support. Its crystal display provides sharp, clear images and vivid colors, enhancing your viewing experience without breaking the bank. The object tracking sound light technology offers decent surround sound that follows on-screen action, adding to immersion. While it lacks the advanced OLED or QLED panels of premium models, the DU8000 shines in everyday use with a straightforward interface and wide
List number 3. Samsung 65-inch class QLED Q7F series Samsung Vision AI Smart TV 2025 model 65Q7F Quantum HDR Object Tracking Sound. Samsung 65-inch Q7F QLED TV 2025 model boasts quantum dot technology, delivering bright, vibrant colors and impressive HDR performance that rivals OLEDs in peak brightness. The Vision AI processor optimizes picture quality dynamically based on content and ambient lighting, providing consistently stunning visuals. Object tracking sound technology further enhances the immersive experience with directional audio that follows on-screen movement. The 2025 model supports smart home integration and offers a sleek, ultra-thin design that adds list number TCL 65-inch class QM6K series QD Mini LED 4K UHD Google Smart TV Est Value Mini LED TV QLED 144 Hz 288 Hz gaming rate. TCL's 65-inch QM6K series is an exceptional value, combining QD Mini LED technology with Google TV Smart functionality. The Mini LED backlighting allows for superior contrast and brightness control compared to traditional LEDs, resulting in deep blacks and dazzling colors. Its QLED layer enriches color accuracy and vibrancy, while the 4K UHD resolution ensures crisp image detail. Gamers will appreciate the 144 Hz refresh rate with 288 Hz effective gaming rate for ultra-smooth gameplay. List number 5. Roku Smart TV 2025 65-inch Select Series 4K HDR TV Roku TV with enhanced voice remote, flat-screen LED television. The Roku Smart TV 65-inch Select Series 2025 offers a budget-friendly entry into large-screen 4K HDR TVs with the convenience of Roku's widely praised streaming platform. The LED panel provides good brightness and decent HDR support, suitable for casual viewing in various lighting environments. Roku's interface is one of the easiest to navigate, with quick access to popular streaming services and an enhanced voice remote for effortless searching. While it doesn't feature advanced display technologies like OLED or QLED, this TV delivers